What up? Oh, good afternoon, everybody. I have a new project. Like I have enough already. Anyway, let's see if I can make this work. I'll flip you guys around and show you what I have. Hey, the most hated Corvette in all of Corvettes. It's an 84. Hey, but it was very cheap. Anyway, I'll give you a quick walk around and we will go from there. Let me just do this. There we are. Hope you don't hear the music in the background. This is in my super duper messy garage. But anyway, there's the back. And I've got stuff all over it. Maybe the window show up again. There we are. And to make a long story short, it was sitting in a car trailer for 8 years. 7 or 8, anyway. The guy bought the trailer and he wanted the trailer and he wanted a motor. But the guy did a lot of stuff to this car. I have got parts galore. Basically the whole front suspension's all apart. The back half has all been redone. But in the Corvette world, 84s aren't the most desirable. But I've always wanted one. This car is really nice inside. I probably don't have any light in there to show you, but... And I've got pretty much everything I need, except for a motor and tranny. So, anyway, I figured I'd give you a quick update on what I'm doing. Right now I'm just going to paint the frame, and then we'll go from there. Anyway, be back soon. Bye. Oh, welcome everybody. This is my 1984 Corvette, which I've been working on. I haven't really filmed too much on this, but I'm going to now. This is my $500 car. Yeah. Anyway, I've done a crap load of work on this. The dude that tore this apart spent a lot of time on this car. And he had a vision. And hopefully I can fulfill his vision. Anyway. It's got aftermarket suspension on it. Everything's been painted. I put new ball joints on it. Down here you can see. It's actually a really nice, clean car. It's got a lot of miles on it, but it's clean. I know, 84 Corvettes are like the no-nos of Corvettes, but hey. Anyway, here's my throttle bodies. Interior's really nice in it. It's got decent paint. It will be running eventually. I have a donor car with a motor, which is coming. So anyway, I just want to take a quick overview of what I've got going on here. This is another project that I've been working on. I've had to piece this thing together. He bagged everything, and I'm glad he did because I could not have ever figured out what everything goes. I do have 3 assembly manuals, which is nice, and then I have a donor car, which is pretty much stock, so I'm learning where everything goes. But look at that, cool. But the guy just took everything. I painted the frame, but he had everything cleaned. It's just very cool. Anyway, it's going back stock. Crossfire. I know everybody hates Crossfire, but I like Crossfire. I think it's cool. So I had the throttle bodies all rebuilt. What else? That's about it. It is, it's got 151,000 miles on the car, actually. You'd never know by not looking at it. So, it's been a big puzzle. Huge big puzzle. I'll flip this around so I can show you. Okay, so, there I am. Anyway, this is the 84 Corvette that I've been working on. My name's Craig, and, when I put this up on YouTube, I hope you guys enjoy it. It's kind of a montage of a bunch of stuff. But anyway, we'll let it go at that. I will see you guys later, and I'll fade it out back here. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. I don't look at the C3. It's my daughter's car. Anyway, there it is. We will see you guys all later. Craig here. Anyway, working on a 84 Corvette. Anyway, I'll show you what I've got done so far. This is more progress. I'll flip it around here. Ta-da. Look at that. All these are on. I guess I can point to them. That's on. Those are on. Just a word to the wise. You can't put your front cover on until you put your parking lights in first because I had the cover on and I had to take it back off. Not a good day. Anyway, so this is what I've got done so far. She's coming together really well. You know, probably hear music in the background. I probably can't have that, so we'll let that go. Anyway, she's coming together. It's gonna be a cool car when I get it all done. There it is. Look at that. Wow. Let me flip this up, see what's going on. Okay, it's still recording. Anyway, here we are. See, to put this cover on, I have to put the parking lights in first, which are right there. I'll show you. Oh. So I'm upgrading to different ones. I don't know what year they're out of, but anyway. Here's the other one. The old ones were faded, so. And this has been a huge puzzle. But the gentleman who tore this car apart was nice enough to bag everything, so it's been not too hard. But then I bought another 84 so I could use it as reference. Which the motor we come out of that will be going into this one here in the next probably week or two. And I'm hoping it's good. So anyway, it's my update. Fun times. I'm like 2 minutes into this, that works. So anyway, back. Name's Craig, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.